Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do my December favorite. Yes, I know, it's a little late. We're already in January, but hey, who's counting? Better late than never. So anyways, how was everyone's holidays, New Year? Comment down below. I would love to know how was your New Year's and holidays or Christmas or whatever, or if you don't celebrate anything, you could still comment down below what did you do. Crazy, I can't believe it's already 2019, January 2019, and we're already like what, the second week of January. Crazy. So yes, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification little bell so you could get a notification every time I start with this lip gloss, and it's by ColourPop. I use this all the time on top of my lipstick when I wear it. I love the way it feels. It's not sticky, it's not, how you say, it's not sticky. I just like putting it on. So yes, I really like it. And the color, the name is Double Agent. Next is going to be my favorite one. I really love this thing. It is by Tarte. Love it. It's full coverage, as you can see. And the best part of this is this brush. Love it. Full coverage. Yes. Next, using this a lot is my Matchbox face primer. I love using this. I pour, so I put this on before my foundation. For those that don't know, you wear these first before your foundation. It's smooth, it's very smoothing, and it's perfect for if you have a very oily skin. This is really good, and it holds your foundation. So yes, this, and if you haven't seen the color, it's not cover. It's not gonna cover your, you know, if you have like breakouts, or it just have a color, and I love the way it feels. And I have a lipstick. This lipstick, it is Rosebud. Love the brush, and it is by Dose. I have problem saying this name. Dose collection. Dose. D-O-S-E. Really like this color. Love the bottle. It's frosted. And I have my CoverGirl Carbon Black. Love the brush. It's very thin. It's my favorite one. Always use this. I try many liquid eyeliner, and this is my favorite one. But if you have a recommendation of a liquid eyeliner, just comment down below and let me know which one you use. I would like to know. Next, it is my, and I wish they still have it, but they don't. I think they only bring on holidays, is my Bronzy Pearls. I really love this. It's just like if you don't want to wear blush and you don't want to wear you contour your face, you just put this on your face and you have some color, and it gives you everything. It's just all in one. It's the blush, the contouring, and the shimmer, and the bronzy. And you could even use this for your eyelid, like to start before you put your whole entire makeup. This is just all in one. Can never go wrong. Oh, it is my Perfect Brow. Really love this stuff. Like how it turns my eye like, and doesn't smear, doesn't go anywhere. I just put it on and that's it. So I really like this, and it's black. Yes, my eyebrows are black, so I don't like using the dark brown. For some reason you could still see the brown. I don't put too much because I could go crazy with it. This thing you have to put just like a little tab it and do it, because if you go like that, your eyebrows is gonna look crazy. Next is my Telescopic. I use this baby a lot. Some people don't like it, like my niece. If you haven't seen that video, the link is down below, or the little suggestion will be popped somewhere right here. So yes, I love this. I like the other one too, the black bottle. I really like this stuff. I like the thin because I could go like very in, and for some reason it doesn't flaky around here, stuff like that. The famous Jordana lip pencil. This one right here, the name is right there. Hope you guys could read it. You guys seen this many times on all my videos. I love this because I just put it on, it's natural. I like it a lot and it's affordable. Can never go wrong. One I use is Maybelline Fit Me. It's this one right here, and as you can see, I hit pan. I use this a lot. I like it. I don't put too much on my face. I just put it like right here and some parts where I know it normally gets oily. Usually when, I guess everybody goes through the same thing, you always get oily like somewhere. You get oily somewhere around here, maybe somewhere around here. So that's the only parts I put it on. I don't put the rest of my face because the rest of my face is dry. And for eyeshadow, my favorite palette, it is this one right here. You guys seen it? I use this a lot. All my videos, I use pretty much all the colors. Love all the color. It's very pigmented, very affordable for anybody who wants to wear eyeshadow, and it has all the colors. You got the light colors over here, you got the dark ones. So yes, this is my favorite palette so far. I use it a lot, and you've seen it many times in my makeup tutorial. So yes, I don't know if Rödrz still has it, but you could double check, and if they don't, they might have other colors. Next is my highlighter, and this one is by Becca Jaclyn Hill. I always wear this, and that you could put it right here, or I put it right there, my nose, right here on my lips, and you could still use it for your brow bones or for your inner corner of your eyes, all in ones. It's my favorite one. I use all these all the time. I hardly use these kinds, but I use these two. I use a lot. I don't think they still sell these in Sephora. I think that was I think it was a limited edition, but you could find it in Amazon. Maybe not. Don't worry guys, I will put all the links in the description box if I do find all these products. If I don't find them and you don't see them there, well, obviously I never found them. My favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. It's dirty, don't mind. I use this thing all the time for everything. Same thing with my bronzy pearl. Anything. You could even use this for eyeshadow. So I use this. Yes, I hit pan on that one. It's my favorite color. I hope you could just refill. I don't know if you could refill. Can you refill? So I hit pan on these two. This is the one the most I use all the time. I hope I can refill these because I refuse to buy a whole entire thing just for these two colors. I refuse. Not that cheap. But it's okay because I still have my bronzy pearls. Is this blush? It is by this brand. I am not gonna even try to say the name. I got these in a giveaway that I won. I won a giveaway, and it came from a different country. So I don't know. I've never seen this brand in here in America. Unless if you have seen this brand, just let me know. Comment down below and let me know if you've seen this brand in any other store, because I never seen it here in United States. Because I really like this blush. I love the color. Even though you put it on and you can hardly see it, but I like it because you don't have to put too much. It is a perfect. So really like that one. I use this when I put my foundation. I have all kinds. I have other kinds. I have probably like 5 or 6, but this is my favorite one of all of them. Actually, I do like the one they have in Sephora, Beauty Blender. I like the Beauty Blender too, but you know, $20 is $20, girl. And then for $20, I could buy me another set of makeup. So, Real Technique is the one. Go for it. And then I have 2 of my favorite foundation. One is a drugstore and the other one is a high-end. This is by Too Faced. I love this one. It is full coverage. Find this one in Sephora or Ulta. It's new and I really like this stuff and I ran out, so I gotta go and buy me another one. I love the bottle, it's frosted. Next one is this CoverGirl. I really like this stuff. I have the dark color and the light color, and I found this, and you could find this in the drugstore. And the color is, I am not going to try to say the name. And that is that. Again, everybody's color skin is different. You're just gonna go by the one that is your color. But my setting sprays, I like to use this one. Is Mario Bedaf. I use on top of my makeup. It's very hydrating, and I also use it when I wash my face and put my moisturizer and all that whole 9 yards. And I spray these. I like how it feels on my face. It's very refreshing and very hydrated. So that was my last December favorites for 2018. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you use these products that I mentioned here, please comment down below and let me know and your feedback from the product. And if you have any product that you use, the brand, so I could maybe search and look for it and try it myself. So yes, thank you guys, and put all the links in the description box. Please share my videos, comment down below, hit likes, subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Love you guys so much. Until next time, see you. Bye.